Hello and welcome. So while using Amazon, you added so many products in Wishlist, but when the time is right, you wanted to buy those. But how do you find Wishlist or shopping list in Amazon? Well, it's pretty simple. Hello everyone, welcome to One to Step. In today's video, we're gonna see how we can view wish lists or shopping lists that you've created and added items to in Amazon. So the first step is making sure that you are signed into your account. You see, I'm not signed in here. So let's go ahead and sign in by clicking on sign in. Once you're signed in, you will have a page something like this. Now, in order to view the wish list or shopping list or any other list for that matter, you need to go to this account and lists. As it's said on the tab, it also has lists. Alright, here is your lists, wish list, or if you want to create a new list, create a list is the option to go. So let's check our list. In here, we have one product added. So if you want to view a different list, you also have a option to go from here. So there you have it. Now, below this list, we also have inspired by a list. So you can further add these items to your list or go to checkout. Alright, if you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.